Welcome back to my channel, guys. We're going to be covering the iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing. If you're new here, subscribe and like for more content. I'm going to be posting a whole bunch of stuff on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, as well as on my Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok for videos. I actually have a couple funny ones on TikTok if you want to check them out, but let's jump into this unboxing right here. You can see that the boxes look a little bit different in what they get shipped in, and that's because I purchased my phone, which is the Pacific Blue phone from Apple directly, and my girlfriend got the gold phone from AT&T directly. So you can see the difference in the outside packaging there. Now the two colors, as you can see, I'm very excited about the blue one, so let's unbox that and get that open. As you can see, it's not that satisfying. I messed up that first one. I'm sorry, but I got you with the ASMR on this one right here. Who doesn't like some ASMR unboxing action, right? So now we're going to unveil the gold color. So right now we're going to be taking a look at this brand new gold color. My girlfriend usually gets the silver one, but this one, she decided to go with the gold because it is more of a cream color and it didn't look as rose gold as the gold option last year. And also it does match her Series 6 stainless steel Apple Watch in gold. And right now you can see the missing charger that is supposed to save the planet, even though they want you to spend an extra 19 bucks. And then right here, you can see that USB Type-C to the lightning cable.
I don't want to touch the side.
The rim of the phone is a very nice stainless steel. In the gold color, it's more vibrant and a little bit lighter. And as you can see, the back is cream. And on the front, they kind of did you dirty once more and basically just had a white film. So if you're someone who likes to keep the plastic on until you get a screen protector in the mail, then you're kind of SOL on this. You're going to have to purchase one from the get-go or just not take it off and use the phone until you get the screen protector. Now right here we have the Pacific Blue color, and I'm honestly blown away by the color. I think it looks very nice. I did not like how the glossy blue looked like in the non-pro models. I didn't think that looked that nice at all, but the matte finish definitely takes it to another level. And the stainless steel rim of the phone wasn't too shiny like I was hoping it wouldn't be, because I don't like the rim of the phone to be too bright. I prefer a matte finish for the rim of the phone, but I guess with stainless steel you cannot do that. And then right here we have basically the charger that should have been included in the box for free, but it wasn't, and I guess that's just something we have to deal with. And then right now we have the AmFilm screen protectors. It's a 3-pack from Amazon, and I purchased this because it was the only one that I found that was available to buy and have it arrive by the time my phone arrived, and I just needed to protect my phone with a screen protector because broke life be college life. And then this case is from Apple. This case is about 50 bucks, and overall I have to say you probably want to find something a little bit better if you're worried about protection. But overall quality of the case, it feels very nice. Apple usually doesn't bring out a case that doesn't feel nice. Look is a different thing, as you will see with the clear one. Sometimes they don't put the best looking accessories out there, and I think this clear one looks really weird. As you saw on the outside of the boxing, and as you see right now, it does have this weird ring for the MagSafe, and I think it just completely ruins the aesthetic of the phone. But I understand why they had to do it, because MagSafe will not work through the case. At least the magnets are not as strong with the case on top of the phone. So right now we're going to be installing the screen protector. The screen protector was probably around like 10 or 12 bucks for a pack of 3, and it comes with an alignment tool as well as the dust stickers and a couple of these alcohol swabs. If it's a new phone, I usually don't use it, and I've worked in cell phone sales for about 4 years, so I'm pretty comfortable with installing screen protectors, and I've done it enough to not even need the tray, but I just used it in this case just to show you how you'd use it. Basically, I would line it up from the bottom and then drop it on and try to line it up perfectly through the top, which won't be hard. If you need help, just turn on the screen, because the white screen will help you see the rim of the phone and line it up better. I came from the iPhone XR, and as you can see with the case, the size comparison, it is quite a bit bigger. The iPhone 11 Pro Max compared to the 12 Pro Max is pretty similar in size. And as you can see on the back, the camera modules are quite bigger on the 12 Pro Max compared to the 11 Pro Max. Alright, so that's going to wrap it up for this video. Let me know what you think of these phones in the comments below, and what you want to see with these phone models, and I'll try to get those posted up as soon as possible. Like I said, stay tuned for more content, and don't forget to take it easy with some tea.